How to buy Cubetics crypto in 2025. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll show you how to buy Cubetics crypto in 2025. Let's get started. Choose a platform. To buy Cubetics crypto, you'll first need to find a platform that supports it. Popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase may list it. Or you might use a decentralized exchange, DEX like Uniswap or PancakeSwap if it's available. Create an account. If you don't already have an account on your chosen exchange, sign up by providing your email address, creating a secure password, and completing any required verification. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your exchange account using a payment method like bank transfer, credit debit card, or crypto transfer. Many exchanges accept USDT, BTC, or ETH as a base currency for purchases. Search for Cubetics crypto. Once your account is funded, go to the exchange's market search bar and type in Cubetics crypto or its ticker symbol. Place your buy order. Choose the type of order, market or limit. For a market order, enter the amount you want to purchase, and it will execute immediately at the current market price. For a limit order, enter the price at which you want to buy and wait for the market to reach that price. Confirm and complete the purchase. Review your order details, including the total amount, fees, and price. Then confirm your purchase. Transfer to wallet, optional. After the purchase is complete, you can transfer your Cubetics crypto to a secure wallet for safekeeping. Use a trusted wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or the wallet supported by Cubetics. And that's it. You've successfully bought Cubetics crypto in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.